quick slider. Wait. Press and hold to stop. Okay. I know that. At the Home Depot again, man. No, they probably finna have this music on in here. So we gotta figure that. We gotta figure it out. But we back up in here again, man. We gotta figure out some shit with a project that we trying to do. There's some Christmas stuff over there. You wanna look at it? Are them the color times and us? They're $12. They ain't as big as the other ones is though. Shit, I ain't got none but them. Yeah, they probably gonna be ran out them motherfuckers. Trying to talk loud so this music won't take over. We don't need no tree for sure. Yeah. I mean, unless you want to do some other little stuff. We have Santa Claus and reindeer and stuff. Who? I guess. Look, your shoes on my feet.
Among the many names of my sin, your kindness truly stands out.
Minions. I ain't on there. Guess that means we've been bad. We've been bad then. See if the white Santa Claus got us. Nope.
It's that wonderful time of year again when I gather up my warm holiday spirit. My reindeer are slowly waiting to take you on. Your name is right here.
I seen Will bringing some stuff out earlier. What? That light bulb. Look like it. Yeah, look, it come up to your waist. Look on the box. So you need what? About 2 or 3 of them.
Got a reef on I need something to hang my reef on.
Okay. What? Yeah. What's these timers? Yep, wireless controllers. I got one of them at home. Yeah. Shit, that was on my man cave, on the man cave door. Hell, I put it up in the cabinet right where you parked the Jeep at. It's been up there for years. Shit, I didn't know that's what you needed. But anyway, that ain't why we came here. We came here for we came here for this project. A better reef. Dogs over there. Big dog. They probably light up or something, no? Might not. I don't see no cords. They $40. They light up or something. They got a button right here. I just head light up. What? Sweater light up. Got the nutcrackers. $60. Got no SoundCloud. He don't do nothing though. He just stand there. Yeah, I got one of them bowls for the Chevy right there, boy. I'm telling you now. Man, we got what we got now? 9-foot tree, 9-foot white tree. Hey man, if God keep blessing us, man, we're gonna have a 24-foot tree in a minute. Huh? In our new living room, there's 2 stories. We have a 2-story living room. So I need y'all. Hey, hold on. No. So I need y'all to be liking, coming, subscribing, and sharing so I can get this 2-story bedroom. I'm doing this content. I need some payback from this. I need y'all to come on now. Come on, step the game up. Bless you. But y'all know how it goes. But yeah, we are trying to find some what's that? We're trying to find we got a project going on at the house, and we gotta go ahead and try to get this done because I don't want to go another winter without it being done. And we're going to the what? I need one. Oh, good old toolbox. This right here ain't but $900. Huh? This right here what I really need though. I really need that joint right there. This right here ain't but hell. It ain't that much. It ain't that much because I ain't got no price on it, so I know it ain't that much. Oh, $1,700. If this one's $1,700, man, I can put a TV in this junk though. Look, it come with the plugs and everything, baby. Look, you can charge your phone up. Look, come here. Look, baby, got the USBs for you. It's on clearance too. Man, you can hold on. Here go the price right here. Hold on, I'm gonna show you. Baby, it ain't nothing but $1,000 now. Yeah. No, that one right there. Ain't nothing but $1,000 now. And this one, baby, this one got the. You can charge your phone up here. You can come out here. Nah, you can't put no TV in there. I can, yeah, look, all these cords and stuff. You can plug your phone up, girl. You can be living the life. You can be coming out there and watch me doing everything. Man, you can be real deal getting it on. You have to pay that junk. You got a Home Depot card, don't you? I think you do. Anyway, we're going to the doors. Man, this music is killing me, huh? Hold on, y'all. Alright, so she said she like this door right here for the door coming off the bedroom patio door. I'm glad this damn music went out. Single with a side light, single with 2 side lights and a double door. We don't need nothing but a single. So how we doing with a single? I ain't doing a full door. This is a good front door right here though. I like that front door. So what you gonna do? You gonna take the I don't know how that's gonna work though. Take the storm door off the front door and put just that one door right there. We have to change the whole entryway, right? Yeah, I'm talking about the front door too. We'll get to that when we get to it. I like this though. You don't like these?
If I do, I would like
I would say yeah.
be in the open.
Yeah, cause it need a big, yeah. I get that. I ain't see them doors, bro. You like that one? You don't like that one, no? That door $4,000 now. Man, I'm finna be doing a lot of editing, man. I'm trying to talk loud so y'all can't even hear this music, cause good God, they killing me. Let me hit y'all right back.
There.
Now I'm looking at flowers. Yeah, the house finna be real cute.
Look. So those are like the bigger ones.
Oh, you want some? Damn, that's a bush.
That's not a bush.
That's a bush.
Look.
That's a shrub there.
Like 3 in the front.
Yeah, that's what I said. It's like a shrub. It's not like a, I don't know. It ain't no bush like gonna grow up like to the window or nothing.
Right, it's not gonna grow like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it could be full, like real full. And you put the rocks around.
So we going to Kroger now?
Whichever.
What you mean?
You already got wood. I mean, you already got a chocolate.
Yeah, I already got it soaking.
Turkey meat.
So I don't need to get another pack of wings.
You probably do.
That's what I was thinking. So we finna go in Kroger right fast, get another pack of wings.
I mean, I got some chicken thighs, but you probably.
Nah, I'm finna put the wings on there. Gonna put the wings on, and then whatever else you gonna make, we gonna do that. I'm gonna sit outside, smoke me a cigar, and talk to my people.
Talk to your people.
People.
Talk to your pickle.
Talk to my pickle. My hair is on it. I said, talk to your pecker. I shouldn't have to be talking to my picker.
Oh, you should let somebody else do that for you. Right on, right on.
Like your flavor, neighbor. That was Sugar Man say. I like how you thinking. Alright, let me get up to this grocery store. If something interesting happens, I shall pick up the camera and we shall proceed. Well, we shall resume. But other than that, we ain't nothing doing nothing, cuz. Hitch in a minute.